Assalamu alaikum. Now I am proceeding to meet the Chief Secretary as well as the Inspector General of Police and three additional IGs. Uh, I have to give briefing to them on the environmental issues and climate change and the status of the forestry in Pakistan because in near future a briefing is to be given to the President Zardari as well as to the Prime Minister uh, in which the Federal Secretary Environment, he will also be participating. So this is a preparatory meeting in which the issues the Pakistani government as well as Pakistan and environmental degradations are to be discussed in lateral spirit. Uh, I am expecting lot many questions. But one thing is that recently the country is facing lot many financial ethics problem in Pakistan. Pakistan is very rich in minerals, especially Balochistan, and rich in recreation facilities, especially in KPK, Swat, Naran, Kagan, Gilgit, Baltistan, Azad Kashmir. We have a great potential of tourists. Singapore, Bangkok, these are the countries. Their entire economy uh, is on the tourism, and they are paying more attention on the tourism. So let's hope for the best that this briefing is successful because after I think 10 15 days, I am planning to go to Dubai for about 10 15 days. And then before that, I would like to visit Mari, Pindi, Narhan Kagan, as well as Quetta, Balochistan. I have also some meetings there about the environment. Hopefully, we want that this country should emerge as one of the best country in the world. Uh, there are so many problem this country is facing, but I am proud of this telling you uh, that जैसे कहते हैं कि हिम्मत मर्दा मदद खुदा, या जो अपना काफिला अज़्मो यकीन से निकलेगा, जहाँ से चाहेंगे रास्ता वहीं से निकलेगा। अपना काफिला जब अज़्मो यकीन से निकलेगा, जहाँ से चाहेंगे रास्ता वहीं से निकलेगा। वतन की मट्टी मुझे एड़ियाँ पर गढ़ने दे, मुझे यकीन है चश्मा यहीं से निकलेगा। What I feel is that in this country we don't speak truth, we betray trust of others, rather we play and we don't tell people what they are. That's the reason that there is a degradation of our ethics. It is not allowed, and the Allah the Almighty, Muhammad, Allah the Almighty, they are not happy on us because of the reason that we don't recite Quran, we don't go for namaz, we don't go for tahajjud, and we don't go for istighfar, and we lack so many aspects of life. I visited Canada during 2019 and then 2016. I stayed there for 20 days. It was really a very good visit. I really enjoyed it. Now I am planning to go to Canada, America, inshallah, in next year, and UK, hopefully, inshallah, for a couple of days or a month or so. I am planning that I should guide the IFs, guide the people who are on the top, how to improve the financial outlay of this country, how to how do we have uh, a status that this country should emerge as one of the best countries? So this is very important, and we should be thankful to the God Allah the Almighty that if He had not been kind enough to us, I think we would have gone. Whatever the IAFs they had been playing with this country, with this nation, it's really very sad. हर तरफ betraying है, हर तरफ the youngsters they don't have any place here. The young girls, ladies, they are going abroad. I have some friends in Norway, Ireland, Switzerland, Netherlands, UK, America, relatives there in these countries, and they are not happy on us. The nation has not proven to be the best nation in the world. Had it be, I think we would have been at the top among the other countries of the nation, country's nation. So this is very important. Here the season in Lahore is very hot. Somebody, one of my friends in Islamabad, Deputy Commission Islamabad, was telling me that there the season is very hot. So let's hope how we are going to celebrate 4 5 days in Mari and in Naran Kagan, maybe it will be Sultan. Let's see how the things go, and how to improve the. यहाँ पर मैंने एक और चीज़ देखी है कि हम जितना भी फिल्थ होता है ना, हम सड़कों में फेंक देते हैं, घरों में फेंक देते हैं. वहाँ मैंने देखा है कि the people put off their shoes when they enter in the house, and they don't have any, even they don't wear socks. So the house inside is very clean, very comfortable. The environment is very congenial. The commodities price is very good, and the people are quite well off. The youngsters they are well off. Every youngsters they, whenever they get this opportunity to go abroad for about 2 3 months, they get some money from their parents, and rest of the money they work there, and they feed themselves, and they used to pay the tuition fees. And when they come back to Pakistan, or they settle there, or if they don't settle there, when they come back to Pakistan, they are very financially sound. But if in Pakistan you spend years together, there will be no financial change. This is very, very important that we should speak truth. We should not betray trust. These two evils are very common in us, and it should not be encouraged. The son's daughter they don't respect the parents, and the parents they don't have soft corner for the children. The reason being is that there's total degradation. Everything is just going to waste, and it is not tolerable situation. And because this country came into this universe on the order of the Allah the Almighty, and Hazrat Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, अल्लाह पाक उनको जन्नतुल फिरदौस में जगह दे कि उन्होंने एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी हमारे मुल्क को दी, हमारी कौम को दी कि हम आज़ाद हो गए. वरना हम कहाँ किधर किधर क्या हासिल होता हमारा. अब इंडिया में जो मुसलमान उनकी हालत देख लें, जो इधर हैं इन पाकिस्तान उनकी हालत देख, ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. वहाँ फिर भी हालात बहुत ख़राब हैं, यहाँ फिर भी हालात अच्छे हैं. हालात अच्छे तो मैं नहीं कह सकता, बट कंपैरेटिवली वहाँ उनसे बेहतर है. तो हम दुआ करते हैं इंशाअल्लाह मिलेंगे इंशाअल्लाह. जो नए फ्रेंड्स बने हैं उनको भी इंशाल्लाह इरादा मिलने का है, और बाकी उन पे डिपेंड करता है कि हाउ दे बिहेव, वेदर दे वांट टू मेंटेन, दे डोंट वांट टू मेंटेन, इफ दे डोंट वांट maintain this relationship, it's well and good, no problem. जैसे किसी ने कहा है कि पेवस्टार शजर से उम्मीद बहार रख. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. My prayers are for you and your family. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.